this is an emotional moment for me. It's the parting of the ways for a little time. Yeah. I'm going by air from Donetsk to Kiev, whereas your lucky lot are taking the scenic route. One in the morning. .43 degrees less than half an hour ago. And Loz, what are we now?
Well, we just hit 20, but
the Larry lad is doing his best.
We'll just have a look at the 18. Excellent.
Here he comes. He's trying to get his cow. He's taking his cow into. Well, his cow's not wanting to go.
Not going over there.
He's only got
looks like the lightning storm.
Yeah, we've just got half a tree down here. Well, after the rain, Murray, comes the grass. And I think we're here. I think we must have arrived already. Look at this.
Here.
Have you ever seen anything like this?
Look at the
grass. Road has turned into a trough.
We plough the
fields and scatter the good seed on the land.
Yeah, it's turned out to be a wise decision to leave early today, 9 o'clock on the road, and we still haven't made it to Kiev, and it's 9 o'clock at night.
Travelling, basically, all day long.
Really looking forward to sort of getting the crowd going against the Swedes.
Hey Alan, how are you doing?
Around about a couple of hours away now from Kiev. I've just had a chicken Kiev.